because this is being completely gay. It's recording. Hey, I'm Kaylee.
I'm Kayla.
And our video take is messing up. So this is take number trace. And Kayla's a little depressed today.
Very, because Nick Jonas is dating Selena Gomez.
They're very cute together.
That's not right.
Anyways, we're gonna try to talk faster so our video camera doesn't die. But Twilight comes out November 21st instead of December 12th.
Good.
We have school tomorrow.
Gay.
It's not really school, it's registration. But I'm cutting my hair like Joe Jonas's. That's sad when a girl compares her hair to Joe Jonas's.
You need to cut it, Joe.
Yeah, Joe Hawk. Joe Hawk. There.
Credit to Amy. She made it up. She's smart.
And she's also our musical director today. We're listening to Britney Spears. I still believe, when I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. Thanks, Amy. Anyway, Glenn has a MySpace. If you don't know who Glenn is,
That's my stepdad.
I love Glenn.
He's a good one.
I love Glenn.
No, don't like
And Kayla thinks she sucks at volleyball.
I do.
No, she doesn't. Oh, and we thought we were gonna have a theme song by our BFF, Mary McCown, but actually we didn't get it today because I haven't talked to her since last week. And yeah, but we still need ideas, and you haven't given us any ideas yet. Come on. Amber gave us the idea for music.
Oh, Amber.
Woo, Amber! We love Amber. She's pretty awesome.
I bet her at the Jonas Brothers concert.
Yeah, me too, for the first time.
We were like pretty close to that stage.
Anyways, bad ex-boyfriends. That's what we're really here to talk about. I have an ex-boyfriend who we dated for 2 years, and then he decided to cheat on me with this girl he worked with at a summer camp, and now they're engaged, and he invited me to their wedding, which is in like 2011. Don't think it's gonna last that long, honey. Sorry, Michael and Becca Oden. I mean, Michael West. Oh my God, why do I keep saying his name? Anyways, 2.5. We had fun at work today, where I came from.
Okay.
Woo! Chili bowl. Call me babe. Yeah. But we really need ideas for this show. Nobody's giving us ideas. We want to make this work, but no. Anyways, Kayla, do you have anything to say? Add.
My brothers are retards. Phyllis and Brandon.
Oh, and Josh. We probably forgot about Josh.
Josh and Tubbo.
Brandon's in the Navy. Don't date guys in the Navy. Ever. Don't even talk to them. Because it
They'll
sucks.
use you.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, so give us ideas, please, because I know this episode sucks because we're trying to get my retarded video camera to work. But we love y'all. Good luck in school this year. Give me, if you're seniors, pull lots of pranks, and if you're not a senior, don't ruin it for them. Have fun at prom. Graduation May 30th, heck yes. NCAA Lions, grr.
Ask me to prom.
Ben asked her to prom. I mean, Ben Glidden asked Kayla Precious to prom. You drive her crazy. Literally, you do. But thanks, guys. And we need a sign-off thing. So, peace out. See you next time.